So gearing is like controlling one movement through the other movement. Another concept which adds a lot of variation, a lot of animation to the dance. I'll just show you what it kind of looks like. It's like you kind of hold a gear. So what it is controlling another movement through one movement, giving that illusion. So, you know, the head and neck isolations are a very common example of gearing, and then it could be anything like so things like this. It kind of adds a lot more illusion, animation, and definitely you can think about a lot more use cases for gearing. So let your imagination flow and let me know in the forum. Let me know if you have any doubts.